Let me tell you about the time I accidentally fell in love with a truck. Not just any truck. This thing looked like a classic Ford F-5 and an Airstream trailer had a baby during Burning Man and raised it on octane and ambition. I saw it parked outside a diner in Colorado and thought it was either an alien spacecraft or someone finally finished a project they started in 1982. Turns out, it's called the Airstream. And I believe it might just be the weirdest and most wonderful motorhome I've ever laid eyes on. Before we dive into the shiny aluminum insanity, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell like you're leaning on the air horn of a semi doing 90 down the freeway. Trust me, we've got more oddball rigs and rolling masterpieces than your neighbor with a midlife crisis and an Amazon account. Now, back to this Frankenstein on wheels. The base is a 1948 Ford F-5 COE truck cab, stretched and sculpted like it's been doing hot yoga. Under the hood, a 454 cubic inch Chevrolet V8. Yes, that's 7.4 liters of Murica. Equipped with a Holley Sniper EFI, RV cam, Sanderson headers, and roller rockers. It's mated to a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission because shifting manually is for people who enjoy sweating on hills. The rig's 30 feet, 9.1 meters long, 8 feet, 2.4 meters wide, and 12 feet, 3.6 meters tall. And yes, it clears most drive-thrus if you're brave and not particularly fond of your air conditioner. Inside? Oh, buddy. You walk into a space with copper-paneled walls and tobacco leaf leather seats so classy. I spilled my gas station coffee and immediately felt guilty. There's a galley kitchen with a microwave, refrigerator, and more laminate cabinets than a 1980s suburban dream home. The dinette is custom trimmed in plaid and brown leather, because why not dress like a lumberjack while eating cereal? The lounge converts to a bed, and the bathroom's got a hammered copper sink that made me feel underdressed just looking at it. Freshwater capacity, 95 liters. Gray-black tank, 132 liters. There's an Onan generator, LED lighting, roof AC, and even a backup camera, because parallel parking a 30-foot aluminum land yacht requires divine intervention and a friend yelling, "Left! No, other left!" And the price? Well, it's up for sale in Colorado. I think if you've got a taste for the bold and about the same budget as a new BMW, somewhere north of $100,000 USD, 93,000-ish, this might be your jam. I like this one the most out of every hand-built rig I've seen in a while. It's bold, bizarre, and beautiful. And if you're lucky enough to see it at a campsite, just know you're in the presence of art.